listening. Seeing you got what you were listed. Plans and nights all of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart.
Hey, what's up YouTube? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get these springs, passion, I don't know what to call them, twists. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So in every tutorial I watched on how to do these spring twists, or how to do spring twists, they mentioned that you should twist to the left. Of course, my dumb self had to twist to the right. How I ended up twisted to the right is because all of the tutorials started off with a braid. Now, if I'm gonna do a twist in my hair, I would prefer to start them off with a twist because I just like the look of it being one uniform look, rather than instead of you starting off with 1 inch of a braid and then the rest of the hair is a twist. I just prefer a uniform look. That's just my personal preference. So that's why I started with a twist. Now, in the past, I've done Marley twist before, and I always do the twist at the root method. So when I do the twist at the root method, I didn't realize that it would make me twist to the right. That's why I ended up twisting to the right when I did this method, because I thought, oh, I'm gonna start off with a twist, and I already know how to twist at the root method, so I thought it was gonna automatically go to the left. I was wrong. And so I had finished 1/4 of my hair, and I noticed, I'm like, this doesn't look like any of the tutorials that I watched. But because I put so many twists in my head, I'm like, I'm not even about to do this over. I'm not, because I'm just gonna ride it out and see what I get. And that's how we came to this. So the kind of hair that I used is the Beyond Beauty hair off of Amazon, and I got it in the color T1B 350. And this is the hair, and this is the color and how it looks. When the hair arrived, in the box there were 3 packs of hair, 2 mini clips, some hair accessories, and a card showing you how to do the spring twist with 2 methods. One method was the twisting at the root method, but it was going towards the left as recommended. And then the other method was the starting off with a braid and then twisting towards the left. So yeah, I'm really loving this hairstyle. I've actually gotten a lot of compliments on this hair. At first when I did it, I was a little disappointed because this was not the look that I was going for. I expected spring twist, but instead I've got this little kind of passion twist situation. I would say that these kind of look like passion twists. I would just use twisted a different way. But I don't know what to call them, so I'm just gonna put passion / spring twist in the title just because I don't know what to call these. But I feel like I've given off like spicy noodle vibes, or at first I thought I was giving off Sinclair from off of Living Single vibes, but I mean it looks a little bit similar but not exactly it. So I'm going to show you guys a close-up of like the parting and all of that, and I am going to insert a tutorial on how to do it in case you want this look, because who knows, somebody might like it. I know a lot of people liked it on me, so yeah, I'm going to show you the parting. And then in the video, when I show you the tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the products that I used on my hair. And I will say that this took me a very long time to do. It took me a whole day. So you know, there's a popular show on Hulu currently at the moment with Kerry Washington and Reese Witherspoon, and it's called Little Fires Everywhere. That show, each episode is about an hour long, and there's about 8 episodes. I did my hair during the entire duration of that season, and I did my hair in 1 day, but I did take breaks, and I probably still was continuing to do my hair after I finished the season, so keep that in mind. Also, every pack of hair comes in, so every pack of hair has about 30 strands per pack. I split the hair strands into 2, and I used half of a strand, half of a full strand per twist. So there's probably well over 120 twists in my head. Not significantly a lot, because I still have one pack left and I might have used about 2 or 3 strands of that. But other than that, I think there's about over 120 twists in my head. I'm not even going to count because I'm going to be, yeah, so I'm not even going to waste my time counting. But that's just something to keep in mind if you want to achieve this exact style. But if you want to do it bigger, I'll probably do it bigger just to save time. But other than that, this is the how it looks if you do them smaller. I'm starting off by moisturizing my hair. I'm using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. And then I'm going to seal in the moisturizer with this avocado oil. So I'm going to start parting my hair. I like to use the curved parting method instead of square parts because I find that it's better or easier to do that way rather than trying to do the square parts, because I'm a perfectionist, and if I were to try to do the square parts, I would be standing there all day because I would want it to look very neat. I'm going to do my whole head in mini twists, and then the next day I'm going to put the spring twist hair in my hair so that I don't have to keep getting up and going to the mirror to do my hair. And this is just my little setup because I don't have those braiding stands. Here I'm just showing you that there are 2 kind of rubber bands that you could use. The regular thick rubber band, and then this one here is the nylon rubber band. The thick rubber band is too thick. I'm showing you what it looks like if you use that. I'm using this on my one part of my hair. The rest of my hair I'm not using the rubber bands. I'm just using it here because on this particular part of my hair it's very thin. It's always been that way. So I'm going to use the nylon rubber band on that part because it's not going to be as noticeable as the regular rubber band. Now I'm going to start off by putting this Shine and Jam on the edges of the section that I have here, and then I'm going to use the nylon rubber band to secure it. So then I'm going to use the crochet method to do this twist, and then the rest of them I'm going to do the twist at the root method.
On my own ways, I can't blame you. No. Passionate from miles away. I said the things you say. I said up on my own ways, I can't blame you.
So I'm going to take a stretched piece of hair and put it through the crochet hook and pull it through. Okay, so now I'm going to take that little strand and I'm going to combine it with one side, and I'm going to twist that side down, and then I'm going to twist that other one up, and then I'm going to twist them around in a helicopter motion and twist as I turn them. So you see how I'm rolling my fingers? And don't worry if this isn't explained correctly. I'm going to get a little bit detailed when I do it the other way. But basically, it's just like doing a rope twist, which basically this is what it is, a rope twist. See how it looks when I use the nylon rubber band? You can barely even see it, if you can even see it, whereas when I used the regular rubber band, it was big and bulky and shiny. So I'm going to take that Shine and Jam and put that at the root of my hair Then I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel and smooth that over the strands of my hair. Now I'm going to take that strand and split it into two. Then I'm going to take the hair and place it directly in the middle of those two strands, and I'm going to use my finger to hold it down. Now I'm going to take the left side and I'm going to twist it down. See how I'm twisting it down, and I'm using my pointer finger on my other hand to support the strand. Once I feel like it's secure, I'm going to take the right side and I'm going to twist it up. Once I feel like it's twisted enough, I'm going to cross those two strands, cross, and then roll the strands in the direction that I twisted them in. Cross, roll them in the direction that I twisted them in, cross, roll them in the direction that I twisted them in. And I'm going to keep my fingers closer to the strands, and then I'm going to move them down an inch so that I can get a looser twist. So it's going to be tighter towards the root and looser towards the end, and that's how we're going to get that curly look. And I'm still rolling my fingers as I'm twisting. Once I get to the end, I'm just going to twirl it around my finger. I cut off the loose stringy pieces at the end of the hair, and then I just put some foam throughout the hair so that the hair set. And I just wanted to come through and show you guys what it looks like in the bun with this cute little ombre of like the fiery red and then the twists at the base. Doesn't it look so cute? And here's what it looks like in the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.